Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on how to use ChatGPT in trading crypto. ChatGPT is a language model that can help you generate text-based responses to various prompts, making it a useful tool for traders who want to stay on top of the latest market news and trends. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to gain valuable insights into the crypto market, and we'll provide a case study to demonstrate its effectiveness. What is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing tool that is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It's trained on a vast corpus of text, allowing it to generate highly accurate and contextually relevant responses to a wide range of prompts. To use ChatGPT, you simply need to input a prompt related to the crypto market, and the model will generate a response based on its understanding of the topic. You can input prompts in plain English or use specialized terminology related to crypto trading. How to use ChatGPT in trading crypto. Let's say you're interested in trading Bitcoin and want to know whether it's a good time to buy or sell. You could input a prompt like, "Should I buy or sell Bitcoin right now?" And ChatGPT would generate a response based on its understanding of the market. Here's an example of a response you might get from ChatGPT. Based on recent market trends and historical data, it appears that Bitcoin is currently experiencing a slight dip in price. However, many experts predict that the market will rebound in the near future, making this a potentially lucrative buying opportunity. That being said, it's always important to do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to trading crypto. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a nuanced and informative response that takes into account both historical data and expert opinions. This can help you make more informed decisions when it comes to trading crypto. Case study. To demonstrate the effectiveness of ChatGPT in trading crypto, let's take a look at a case study. Imagine you're a trader who is interested in investing in Dogecoin. You're not sure whether it's a good time to buy or sell, so you decide to use ChatGPT to get some insights. You input a prompt like, "What is the current state of the Dogecoin market?" And ChatGPT generates the following response. Dogecoin is currently experiencing a surge in popularity, thanks in part to its recent listing on several major exchanges. This has caused the price of Dogecoin to increase significantly in recent weeks, and many traders are bullish on the coin's future prospects. However, it's important to keep in mind that the crypto market can be volatile, and there are always risks associated with any investment. Based on this response, you decide to invest in Dogecoin, and over the next few weeks, you see significant gains in your portfolio. Thanks to ChatGPT, you were able to make an informed decision that paid off in the long run. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help traders gain valuable insights into the crypto market. By inputting prompts related to market trends and historical data, you can get a better understanding of the market and make more informed trading decisions. As always, it's important to do your own research and exercise caution when it comes to trading crypto, but ChatGPT can be a valuable tool to add to your arsenal. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!